doing more harm than good. And I want to rebut what the second speaker of the team affirmative said. She said that internet brings more harm than good, but in fact, she searched the debate material from internet. And the first speaker said that it's fine. She said that her definition is fine as well. How could she find it? Will her search that more material from the debate in a book for hours and hours? Of course no. You said and I want to rebate too about the second speaker said that pornographic site is illegal. Well, let me pay. I'm sorry. The owner of Google already, Larry Page already blocked the site of pornographic, so there is no pornographic in Google. No thanks, I'm explaining. So I absolutely disagree about our mission because of what? By no thank you, I'm explaining. Because of internet, and I will explain what is the importance of internet because of internet in social science. First, easy to have new friends. Right now, who don't have social media? Even the affirmative team. Yes, please. Okay, I will answer that. The answer is look at the paper. They print it. They print it from the internet. After easy to have new friends, they say they don't use Instagram or Facebook. I know the first speaker anyway, so she uses Facebook, she uses Instagram. She plays mobile games too. And also, I want to talk about the physical side. It's easy to search homework. And it's faster and instantly. Why? Because right now, we are in the videos. We search homework from Google and also we study well from Google and then the second is help ourselves to find healthy cure. And the second speaker just said that I'm right. Yes, she is minus because she can't control herself for using cell phone. So, once again, I absolutely 100,000% disagree about our mission today. This has to be that internet is more powerful. Thank you.
Okay, the second speaker from the negative team spends 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Okay?
Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm a third speaker from affirmative team. So, first of all, I don't know anything about the second speaker said.
Fighting.
I don't get any point of your argument
Fight.
because you just
Gaduh.
about our argument. So I will just strengthen my team
Bertanding.
argument. Firstly, our first speaker said that internet brings harm for education. I agree with her argument because the latest research shows not the internet use in Indonesia from children and teenagers are predicted to be 30 million. Can you imagine if there are 30 million children and teenagers using internet? Like that was a fantastic number of nowadays children using internet. And I believe almost of all the 30 million children playing internet more than reading a book. That's really affect to their education. Like they're addicted to the internet and often stay at night for playing games such as PUBG, Mobile Legends, and many of the online games. This situation makes them lazy to study and ignore their achievements, and of course, they get a bad score in the school. Yes, yes. No, I find it on newspaper. Yes, says, based on a research conducted in Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, and Medan, it turns out that teenagers aged 13
Mana mahu
to
pedut
18
dah.
years,
Apa
16%
pedang kau?
have had sex.
Mana
While
bawa
high
kau
school
sini?
students who have sex 44%.
Eh,
8%.
Kak,
I
maaf,
feel
maaf,
bad
maaf,
for them
sebentar.
because they
Tas-
still
tas
have a
dekat
long
sini aja.
future, so why they choose
Tas
to
sini
do
aja, ya.
that thing?
Tasnya sini
And
aja.
our second speaker say that internet can affect some
Lai.
people. I strongly agree
Lai.
with her argument because based on research, about 80% outsiders use classes because of the technology. Also, like me. Also, like what Hopper said, if we play internet, we will forget about the time and just skip our meal, and that can make
Cik,
our
lega.
mood down. I think that's all from me. Once again, I say I
Dia
strongly
minat,
agree
terdetik dia minat ajak aku
with
sini.
our motion that internet brings more harm. Thank you.
The third speaker from the affirmative please spend time 3 minutes 1 second. Okay, the next is the third speaker from the negative team.
Everybody. First, I want to mention from affirmative team. You said before our internet a long time. Internet can make our future happen. Okay. Did you know something? If right now a lot of people can be success in internet. So, you like in this area of internet, right? Okay, right now I want to say you are like if your mobile doesn't have application from internet. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know
ladies and gentlemen.
that is the best effect and how lot of negative internet. Sorry, internet has a lot of positive effect. You know what? The first I can tell you in education, internet can make our education that is more good. Like we can study in internet, we can practice. Then we open book. There is if we open book, maybe we can
Okay,
spend
minum dah
time.
teh.
But internet
Minum dah teh.
searching after
Tengok
everything.
apa game ni.
The second is social. We can get new friends on the internet. Like right now in our mobile have Instagram, Facebook,
Ni bergila.
WhatsApp, and the other.
Kepo ayu.
That we can get new friends, right? In the other country. And internet can make
Jom
us
kita snack
new
kamu
friends.
ambil ni.
Why?
Ano lagi?
Because right now we have another blogger from Indonesia. Really are how people they are tend to be blogger. And then they must be out there content, right? Because of that, they can be writing.
Dia jangan dulu.
And you can get idea in one go or text. Not just for that, but right now internet can make help online tutoring.
Dia ni apa,
That's
apa?
like,
Dia ni apa?
no thanks. That's like
Ni kau le.
and the other. And
Huh?
the last I want to say yes. Please.
Tahu saja.
Wait, I'm just telling the native of internet. We are coming. Of course. Why? Because right now we registration from internet, right? Doesn't have registration like right now. And
Penting ke ya?
Instagram, that of course internet can make jobs in our country. And in our country now, 50% people is jobless. You know, if the future home, if doesn't have internet, we can have